Another Monday. This week is already feeling long, isn't it?
That is life at work. We have that big deadline on Friday, don't we?
We thought we were so stressed at school, didn't we? Our biggest worry was getting to a 9 a.m. lecture on time.
Life was much simpler then, wasn't it? We just had to study and pass exams.
It really was. But this is pretty cool too, isn't it?
What do you mean? We're exhausted.
True, but being a student was about preparing for something. This is it. We get to build things and solve real problems. We're actually doing it, aren't we?
I guess the lesson is that every stage is special. You should enjoy the whole process, shouldn't you? Because all that studying helps you get ready for much bigger challenges later.